Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. It's a nice, cool morning. The rooster is crowing. I'm still deciding on a name. I have it narrowed down to two. Get your vote in. It hasn't left in over a year, and it's sister wives. All right, enough about the rooster. Last night, we were in Guatemala. Where I prepared pipion del pollo, chicken stew in red sauce. It wasn't really red, and I didn't make a stew. I purposely didn't add all the broth into the food processor when I was processing the base or the goodies. It was good. I get asked this a lot. Will I make it again? No. 4 stars. Try it. Make it your own. I'm going to leave it there. A lot of work. A lot of work. And I simplified it by doing some shortcuts and some just smart thinking is what it was. Instead of using whole chilies, I went to the chili powder, which is basically ground chilies. So, yeah, try it. I'll post it. Have fun with it. All right, tonight, again, it's Sunday, which means Robin and I have a Sunday dinner date. I gave her about 7 or 8 selections and the option to pick whatever she wanted in my recipe library, which, as you all know, is quite extensive. We all have our favorites. So she could have chose anything. She chose BTAs. In actuality, we kicked the L out. Kick it, get it? Kick the hell out? We kicked the L out because we decided years and years and years ago buying a head of lettuce is just not worth a few sandwiches. It's economy. That's all it is. So they are BTAs, bacon, tomato, and avocado. The side dish that's going with tonight's Sunday dinner is a classic dill red potato salad. Again, years ago, we fell in love with the red dill potato salad that Rayleigh's / Bel Air has in their deli case. They don't always have it. So one of the things I said, if you choose the BTAs, I will attempt a red potato salad. I'm not real big into making potato salad. I don't know why. Something to do about cooking potatoes. I don't know. I overcook them mostly. So I think that helped Robin pick the BTAs. All right, let's get to it. All right, real simple. I bake my bacon. This roasting pan has done more bacon than it has turkeys or anything else. So simple hardware, super simple hardware today. My roasting pan with the great thingy, you know what I'm talking about. Dutch oven for the potatoes, and a toaster. That's it. So for the last few months, 3-4 months, I've been doing brioche. I decided to go with a potato bread because you have to have a white bread for BTAs or BTAs. Good old bacon. These are the tomatoes I got at the farmer's market yesterday at the Young produce stand. Those are good people, good product. Avocado, It's perfect. I bought it a little firm on Friday, and now it's perfect. Excuse me. Red potatoes, black pepper, kosher salt, celery. I'm actually going to be texting Robin this morning, see if she wants the celery in this, because the salad at Bel Air Rayleigh's does not have celery in it. Green onion, mayonnaise, sour cream, a little bit of white wine vinegar, ground mustard, some sugar, and of course, fresh dill. Look at that big old bundle of dill. So compared to yesterday, which was multi-steps, multi-disciplines here in the kitchen, this is simple, super simple. I'll have the potato salad knocked out by noon, hopefully. That's my goal. And the bacon, between the preheat of the oven and the time in the oven, about half hour. And everything else is literally seconds. All right, so on this Sunday, as I ramble, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.